How to use cash out feature on bet365. Hi everybody, welcome back. So in order to use the cash out feature on bet365, you must first have an active eligible bet. So you want to make sure to open the browser, or you could also use the app. So type in bet365 on the address bar, and after which you will be taken to this page. Make sure to log in, and here once you're logged into your account, you just want to make sure to go ahead and select my bet icon, usually found in the top row or at the bottom of the home screen. And there you just want to tap onto the cash out tab to view all the bets currently eligible for these features. And you can select the cash out, or beneath your specific bet section, you will see a button labeled cash out with a display value. You can then simply go ahead and confirm the button to finalize the request, and once successful, the funds are immediately credited to your account. And this way, you'll be able to use the cash out feature on Bet365. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.